The first thing you'll need to do is download the FlexiPass app. Download FlexiPass. Open the app. Make sure your Bluetooth settings are turned on. Bluetooth must be turned on for your mobile key to work. Make sure it's turned on. Then copy the code that was texted to you. Copy code. Open the FlexiPass app and paste the code. Then tap Get Room Key. Wait for your code to validate. This may take a moment. Blinking orange text will appear below the black FlexiPass box. The text must stop blinking for the key to be ready to work. Make sure you're patient. Now that it's done blinking, it's ready to use. Let's teach you phone placement. The phone must be used with the back of the phone against the black box. Green light must appear for it to be ready for the door to be open. Middle of the phone is what works best. Tapping the lower phone will not work. Let's show you how the lower phone works. When you hold the lower part of your phone against the lock box, it does not unlock. You must do the middle of your phone. If a red light is showing, that means you're not gaining access. A green light must show for the door to enter. Middle of your phone is what works best. Put the back of your phone against the black box, wait for the green light to appear to enter. Again, place not the lower phone. Blue light means it's not working either. You have to do the middle of your phone and the back against the black box. Put the back of the phone against the black box, wait for the light to go green, and enter. Your mobile key is how you enter at all times, so please keep your mobile phone on you at all times.